Alright, we're back in the gear room / storage room, and we need some shelves. So we're going to build a shelving system right here, based on videos we've seen on YouTube. We got all these 2x4s. They aren't the best quality, but I think they're going to work for some storage shelves. I'm going to make them work. I just cut 12 support pieces. What I did was measured 20 inches from the wall to my cut line and use the wall as a stopper so you get exact cuts. Alright, 3 more of those. I moved the saw 21 inches away from the wall, and I'm cutting supports for the shelves. These are the shelf supports I just cut. Right there, there. 3 per shelf. And this is gonna be the first shelf. I just gotta pre-drill some holes, screw these together. No, we don't have a truck. We've got an SUV, a small SUV. So we couldn't fit a full-size piece of wood in there, OSB in there. So we had to get a 2x4, 2 foot by 4 foot piece, which doesn't cover the whole thing. So we're gonna have to cut and piece them together. That's okay. Work with what we got. video we watched said to do this because it puts all the weight on these 2x4s straight down instead of on screws going this way. Alright, we're going to build the next shelf and put it in there. The problem is this. The wood we bought wasn't good, so look at what we got now. It's wobbled. If you push this down, that corner goes up. Which one of these pieces was bent? I can't remember which one it was, this one or this one. But I'm gonna figure it out, I'm not wasting it. Well, we forced it into place and it holds my body weight, so that's good. Oh. Go cut another piece and our second shelf will be done. One more shelf to go. For not having any experience or any idea what we were doing, we're struggling a little bit, but I think it's looking pretty good. And it holds my weight, so did it. Might not have been easy for us. Struggled a little bit. We had really crappy wood. Like that. That's a mistake. I have to fix that. The rest are touching. Alright, so what we did to build these shelves was started with 6 foot tall legs. And we knew we wanted 3 shelves. So the shelves had to be 2 feet, 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot tall shelves. We had to take the thickness of the OSB and the thickness of this 2x4, subtract the combined total of that, which was 4 inches from the support here, which gave us 20 inches for each support. And to avoid cutting the OSB lengthwise, they came in 2 foot by 4 foot sections. So each shelf was going to be 2 feet deep, and we had to subtract thickness of this 2x4 and this 2x4, which gave us 21 inches for these supports, and then 21 inches for that one, and then just screwed it all together. Sort of like a puzzle. And it gave us this shelving system that can support my weight. I sat on it. Alright, that's our DIY storage shelf. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.